Mr. Jones, what was the color of the light as you were approaching the intersection? How far away were you when you first saw the other car? What was your speed at the time that you first noticed the light? Would you like to know why I'm asking these questions? It all has to do with speed, time, and distance in an accident case here in New York. Come join me as I share with you some of the things that I ask in a deposition here in an accident case in New York. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial attorney practicing law here in the state of New York. Why do I ask that? Because in a car accident case, I want to know three things. I want to know your speed, I want to know the distance, and I want to know time. Having all this information is crucial to knowing whether or not the person who caused your accident is telling the truth or not. Now, let me explain what I mean. Let's say your accident happened at an intersection and somebody hit you from the side. So one of the things that I want to establish is how far away they were at the time they first noticed your car. I want to know what the weather conditions were like. I want to know specific things because, for example, if I know how fast they were traveling, I will then be able to calculate the distance that it will take them to come to a stop. I want to know if they were careless. And the way to establish carelessness or negligence is to ask them about speed, time, and distance. And the way to do that is like this. Mr. Jones, how fast were you traveling at the time that you first saw my client's car? Well, I was going 30 miles an hour. Now, how far away were you at the time that you first saw my client's car? Oh, I was about 100 feet away. Really? Well, now I can go ahead and calculate whether or not that's true. Traveling at 30 miles per hour, we can calculate the stopping distance for a car of that size and weight before he achieves 100 feet. Well, how far away were you? And at the time that you saw my client's car and you saw that it was coming into the intersection, did you apply your brakes? Yes or no? So now I can take the information that they have testified to and have my expert engineer or accident reconstruction expert plug it in and determine whether or not what they've told us is accurate or not. So why do I tell you about this? Because chances are you've been involved in a car accident and are looking for an attorney. Well, if your matter happened here in the state of New York, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I answer legal questions like yours every single day. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at lawmed10@yahoo.com. I'm heading out to a black tie wedding right now, so I want to thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and pick up the phone and call me if you have questions. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a great day.